Okay, so before getting started, I hope you all know about Microsoft Azure Cloud Admin Basics, right, guys? Just I wanted to check. I hope you know Microsoft Azure Cloud Admin Basics. Am I right, Shekhar?
Yeah, yeah, I know, like the
Okay.
essentials, right?
Sorry?
You mean the creating VMs and things like that?
Yeah, creating VMs, Azure App Services, PaaS, SaaS.
Yeah,
Okay, IaaS.
yeah. The
Okay.
fundamentals, yeah.
Yes, fundamentals. What about Patil, Vivek, Mano,
Yes, sir, I
Sudhakar?
know it.
Sorry?
Yes, sir, I know it.
Okay. Ash. Okay, I will give you just 2 minutes of basics of what is that, what is the Azure and all. Okay. First thing. Okay, people are saying no, Ash. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you for confirmation. So before going for Microsoft Azure Artificial Intelligence, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar. Having 15 years of experience on Microsoft technologies. Currently, I am working as a Azure Cloud Architect with Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, yeah, next. See, before going for Microsoft Azure, okay, just I want to let you know something about IT infrastructure. So what is the IT infrastructure? Very simple. IT infrastructure is nothing but collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. Clear? I am repeating. What is the Microsoft Azure? Sorry. What is the IT infrastructure? It is collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. Okay. So very simple. If you observe, this is the exact picture of IT infrastructure. Okay, for example, here we have devices all together communicated to one switch. This is the what? Proxy servers, routers, firewall switches, load that is load balancer, and this is what? Database, hardware devices, server rack. Okay, this is the exact picture of IT infrastructure. To maintain our own IT infrastructure, what do you require, guys? What do you require? Data center. Do you agree? So to maintain our own IT infrastructure, we required what? Data center. If we go for TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, any company in the world, they had their own data centers. Okay. Then why they are moving to cloud computing? First thing. Why? Because of maintenance cost is very high. If we maintain our own IT data center, to maintain data center cost is very high. We have to spend lot of time, lot of budget, and there are lot of issues to maintain our own data center. Okay, what are the challenges are there means we need purchase the land and we have to design the data center and maintain the physical security, maintain the hardware security, data security, and we maintain the space. Okay, these are the challenges. Okay, 24/7 we have to provide electricity. If there is no electricity in the data center, so we required what? Downtime. If required downtime, all the application which are deployed on top of the data centers, we require downtime. If applications are required downtime, there would be a huge impact on business. Clear? So these are the many challenges are there. Due to that, entire IT industry looking towards cloud. Okay, so in the cloud, as you know that already, so Microsoft Azure is the market leader. At present, Microsoft Azure is the what? Market leader. Microsoft Azure. Okay, so now you people tell me, guys, what is the Microsoft Azure? Very simple. Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services. I am repeating, Microsoft Azure is a what? Comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the application is called Microsoft Azure. See, guys, Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the applications through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. Why Microsoft Azure is the market leader in the market is, you know, right? ChatGPT, that is the AI chatbot, big advantages for entire enterprise applications and enterprise prenumers, enterprise global wise top 10 customers, they are using Microsoft Azure cloud as well as artificial intelligence services. Okay, Copilot is a revolution in the market. So if you purchase the Copilot now, 90% of work, it is making it as very easier. Okay, that's why you can see Copilot integration with Visual Studio, Copilot integration with OS, Copilot integration with Microsoft Azure portal, Copilot integration with MS Office suite. You know, right? M365. Okay, they have integrated with M365 suite, everything. Clear? So that is the power of Microsoft Azure. So as he said, Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the application through global network data centers. Is called Microsoft Azure. You know, right? Azure, they are providing three types of cloud service deployment models. Three types of cloud service deployment models, guys. What are they, guys? One is AS. Second one is what? PaaS. Third one is SaaS. Okay. So what is the AS, guys? Infrastructure as a service. I can say infrastructure as a service. Okay. Next, PaaS in the sense platform as a services. Platform as a services. Okay, platform as a service in the sense it is very powerful service nowadays, and most of the clients, most of the enterprise applications, most of the enterprise prenumers, top 100, top Fortune 500 companies, they are using platform as a services. Coming to the SaaS, software as a services, software as a services. Okay, so mostly server, storage, network, database, these all comes under what? SaaS. What is that? Servers, storage, okay, network. These all comes under what? Software as a services. Clear? Yeah, storage. Clear? Yeah, platform as a services. What is the platform as a service, guys? Can anyone tell me? Why I'm pressing this word is very important. What is the platform as a service?
I mean, platform services like,
Yeah, they are
this.
providing runtime environment.
Yeah.
They are providing runtime environment. When you go for platform as a services, you need not have to worry about installation, configuration, management, deployment, management, patching activity, everything. Everything would be taken care by Microsoft. So here a main point is our Azure AI services comes under PaaS, guys. Okay, Azure all AI services and machine learning comes under PaaS. What does that mean? Microsoft has designed pre-built services and hosted into the cloud. So directly you can consume those services for your application. In other words, directly you can integrate those services on existing application to increase the productivity. Okay, so that is the power of Azure PaaS services, guys. Okay, so here many services are there. Microsoft introduced in the PaaS services. One is, I can say, uh, function app. I hope you might have heard about it. Function app. Okay, second one, logic app. Okay, third one is Azure SQL Server. Azure SQL Server. Okay, fourth one, as I said, Azure AI services. Most of the Azure AI services, 90% of Azure AI services, they have deployed what? PaaS services, guys. Okay, next here I can say Microsoft Entra ID. Entra ID. Formerly used to call it as Microsoft Active Directory, guys. Microsoft Entra ID, Active Directory. Okay, that is comes under PaaS. Okay, sixth one, we have, as I said, a function app, logic app, Azure SQL Server, AI. Okay, these are list of services comes under platform as a services. Even we can say Azure ML. Machine learning also comes under what? PaaS services. Okay, best example for SaaS. Can anyone tell me, guys, in the market? Anyone? M365. M365. Microsoft 365, guys. Okay, Microsoft 365, you know, right? That short form is M365. Under Microsoft 365, we have n number of components: MS Teams, Outlook, Google Drive. Okay, sorry, OneDrive, SharePoint, Swap, Yammer. These all comes under what? Microsoft 365 components. Okay, if you observe, these are the Microsoft 365 components, guys. Okay, I can say calendar, compliance, Excel, Word, OneNote, OneDrive, okay, Planner, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automation, Security, okay, SharePoint, Steam, Swap, okay. Next, Word, these all comes under what? Microsoft 365. Okay, these all comes under what? SaaS, guys, software as a services. I hope you got it. So these are what? Software as a services. Clear? Yeah, next. Another thing is there are three types of cloud computing, guys. One is public, private, hybrid. What is that? One is public, private, hybrid. Now, here important topic, type of cloud computing. What is the public? The resources which can be accessible from anywhere in the world is called public. Okay, private in the sense the resources which can be accessible from within the network, corporate network is called private. So hybrid in the sense the combination of public plus private cloud called hybrid cloud. Okay, simply I can say that Azure AI is supporting public, private services, hybrid services. Okay, what does that mean? That Microsoft Azure, whatever the services they are providing, you can host them as a public or you can host them as a private so that you can integrate those applications with your private applications. Private application in the sense only corporate people, only corporate company will can access those applications. Okay, next hybrid in the sense combination of public and private. So hybrid cloud market leader is Azure, guys. Like Azure providing the features of hybrid cloud, no other cloud is there in the market to provide such kind of beautiful features. Clear? So that is the power of Azure private, public, hybrid cloud. Okay, first thing, Microsoft Azure came into the picture in the year, I can say, history of the Azure. Okay, what is that? History of the Azure. So you know, right, in the year 2010, Microsoft Azure came to the picture. In the year 2010, Microsoft Azure came to the picture. During the time, we used to call it as Windows Azure, guys. Windows Azure. Next, in the year 2014, Microsoft introduced new model called ARM. Then they renamed it Windows Azure as a, what is that? Microsoft Azure. You know, right? In Nadella Satya, in the year 2016, they became as a, what is that? CEO of the Microsoft. Next, there are a lot of innovations started implementing. Now, Microsoft Azure is the market leader. I can say because of Copilot, I can say, guys. Why? Because Copilot, they have integrated with each and every product of Microsoft. Okay, what does it mean? It will get value added and it will increase the productivity of your application. The usage of the application would be good and suggestions, everything. It will give you planning, deployment, okay, and the cost cutting, management, everything. It is providing the directions using Copilot. Okay, so now Copilot is the what? Main suite. They have integrated with each and every product of Microsoft. Even Microsoft Edge browser also they had integrated. Many of you know that already. Okay, now this is the overview of Microsoft Azure and what are the advantages of the Microsoft Azure? Anyone? One is low cost. You know, right? 50% of products from Microsoft, okay, utilizing by entire market. You know, right? In the market, 50% of product developed by Microsoft itself. Clear? So Microsoft Azure is the what? It is occupied entire market in the US, other countries as well. Right now, here this is the difference between Microsoft Azure and other cloud provider. Other cloud provider here is what? AWS, guys. Okay, AWS, they haven't developed any artificial intelligence so far. They did not come up with any product. So Microsoft came up with Copilot, that is the market leader, that is the competitor for all products in the industry. Okay. Next, Azure has more global regions than any other cloud provider. Here, other cloud provider, who is the competitor? AWS. And Microsoft has 60 plus regions. What is that? 60 plus regions, 140 countries. They had their own data centers. So what does that mean? We can bring our application closer to customer. You know, right? Nowadays, business at our doorstep. Business at our doorstep. If we order food, any home related applications and all, they are landing at our doorstep. Am I right? So same way, assume that I have more customers in China. I can go and deploy my services under China region. Assume that I have more customers in, where is that? In East US or India. I can go and deploy my applications in India region. Clear? This is the overview of Microsoft Azure. Clear? So one is cost. Why? Because Windows Server and SQL Server, Windows operating systems, these are relevant to Microsoft product, so that they can sell it with cheaper cost, with better performance, with better service, guys. Okay, this is the overview of Microsoft Azure. Clear? I hope clear. Do you have any questions so far? These are the basics. Any questions, Ben, Patel, Vivek, Manu, Shekhar? Yes, Sudhakar ready?
No questions. Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
great. Next, now I am going to discuss about what is the AI and what is the Azure AI. So as I said, Azure
Okay,
AI comes
sorry.
under what type of
Hi.
cloud deployment model, guys? As PaaS, SaaS. Can anyone tell me?
Hi, Shekhar. Hi, this is Manu here.
Yeah,
Just one
Manu.
quick request. Before we go in detail of the content, I'm not sure if you had any demo class before. I'm joining for the first time, but
Yeah, this is
can
the
you give
demo
an,
session only, Manu.
or today is the first one. Can you,
Yes, yes.
before we go in detail of the content, can you give a perspective that what all will be covered and for which set of audience this is applicable? I mean, to be very frank, I'm not a techie person, so what I was looking for is like some sort of overview of the how the AI models of Azure can be used here. But if you
Yeah,
can give
yes,
a
that's
perspective
what.
that this course is for whom and who are the right audience for that one, that might help. No, I'm not sure about the others, but it certainly will help me to decide that is this a course which is meant for me or probably not.
Yes, this course is for everyone. Actually, you least bother about it, whether you are technical or non-technical, you know, right? Now AI is running like super fast in the market. Okay. So why? Because AI, they are going to integrate with existing applications. Whether you have developed .NET, Java, PHP, Python, and all, we are going to add the AI features. Okay. Who can learn is all IT professionals experience. Whoever is fresher, they can start learning Azure AI. Okay, Ben.
Okay, got you.
Okay,
Thank
coming
you.
to the content, whatever I am going to cover, I will explain about model by model in tomorrow session. Just I am giving the demo about what is the Azure, types of cloud, and why Microsoft Azure, and what is the Azure AI. That is what main intention to explain about it. Okay, clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
And I have one question, Shekhar. So this course will give me like good working knowledge or only the
Yes, yes,
basics?
yes. It will give you good working knowledge. Actually, Microsoft providing lot of PaaS services, right? How we can utilize them in real scenario, how to provision them. If you are getting any issues, how to troubleshoot them. So here, Microsoft, as of now, they have launched two papers. One is AI 900, AI fundamentals. Other one is what? AI 102. That is
Okay.
AI certified engineer.
So this course, if we can do even fundamentals and 102.
Yeah, 102, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, great. Now, see, first thing, what is the artificial intelligence? Any idea, guys? What is the AI? So the full form of the AI is artificial intelligence. Okay, the full form of the AI is what? Artificial intelligence. See, if you are coming to this slide, this is the Azure AI fundamentals and road map of certification, how we can cover. Okay, next, first thing, this is the Azure AI 900. So the 900 fundamental is once AI 900 you have certified, then you can move to what? Microsoft certified designing and implementation Azure AI solutions. Okay, so this is the path. So Azure AI 900, these are the syllabus guys. Okay, create workloads and consideration, describe principle of machine learning, and describe computer vision, describe natural language processing, describe about conversational AI workloads on Azure. These are all the syllabus of AI 900. I will show you the exact syllabus which Microsoft introduced in official site itself. Clear? Yeah, next. Now, I am going to give 102 as well. Now, I am discussing about what is the AI. Okay, what is the AI? Any idea? Anyone?
I mean, I think it, learns from the data.
Yes, exactly. Perfect. So, AI is a human intelligence. Okay, best real-time example, assume that your kid is there. Okay, your kid doing some what is that bad things, what you'll do, you are guiding to your kid, hey, don't do, if you do that, that is the disadvantage, if you do this, this is the what is that advantage, you will teach it, right? So what does that mean? Your kid mind will mold it based on your keywords, based on your words. Am I right? Same way, AI is the what? Simulation of human intelligence. I am repeating, AI is the what? Simulation of human intelligence. Like how we are thinking, right? Based on input surrounding us. Same way, based on input you are giving to AI, according to that, it will respond. That is called AI. Okay, so the exact definition is what? This is the definition, guys. AI refers technology that enable computer and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem resolving capabilities. You know, right? So Azure AI, it will support problem resolving capabilities. Very simple definition. Artificial intelligence refers a enable on computers and machines to simulate human intelligence. And it contains problem resolving capabilities called AI. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the exact picture of AI, guys. What is the AI? AI is a simulation of human intelligence in machine and enabling them to perform the task typically to required human conditions, cognitions, I can say. So where exactly we are using artificial intelligence? Nowadays, everywhere, guys. You know, right? Even nowadays, we are getting TVs like AI features. Okay, like AI features enable washing machines. Many products now they are launching, they are going to launch with AI features. Clear? So what is the use of this AI? See, actually, it will learn the data, it will learn from the data and provide the predictions, and it will provide the problem resolving capabilities. Okay, that's what. Here, see, so such as AI learning, reasoning, problem resolving, prediction, problem decision making. Clear? AI use inbuilt or customized algorithm to recognize the patterns, and based on that it will give you the outputs like prediction, improve the performance of the overtime. Okay, and directly instantly it will change the performance of the, or it will change the solution of the problem, guys. Clear? So this is about what? Artificial intelligence. Very simple. What is the AI? AI is a simulation of human intelligence. Okay, so it will learn from the data and provide the capabilities like learning, reasoning, problem resolving, prediction, and decision making is called AI, guys. Okay, in AI, there are two types of AI. Can anyone tell me what are that? What is that? Two types of AI. What are they, guys? One is weak AI. One is weak AI. Other one is what? Strong AI, guys. Okay, one is weak AI, other one is what? Strong AI. See, if you observe, weak AI also we can call it as narrow AI. Okay, weak AI also we can call it as narrow AI. Strong AI we can also call it as what? General AI. Okay, so weak AI is designed for specific tasks for voice assistance. Designed space for specific tasks like voice assistance. You know, right? Like Siri, okay, Alexa, recommendation systems. They are like Netflix and Amazon chatbot and all, right? They are narrow AI, weak AI. Okay, general AI, hypothetical form of AI, guys. Hypothetical form of AI, it would be like a human intelligence. It would be like a human intelligence. Okay, general AI, we can call it as like we are developing what is that? NLP, natural language processing. Okay, deep learning. Okay, and customized things we will perform using strong AI like generative AI and all. So this is the reasoning adaptability across various tasks. This is about what? General AI or strong AI. Clear so far, guys? What is the two types of AI? One is weak AI, other one is what? General
Strong.
AI, strong AI and weak AI. Okay, under AI, these are the workloads we have. Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, robotics. These are what? AI technologies included these things, guys. These are the components of AI, I can say. Okay, one is what? Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Okay, yeah. So, this is about what? Components of AI, simply we can say. So, these are used in industries like, sorry. Okay, these are used in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, okay, and customer service to improve and decision making. Okay, so here prediction in the sense, what does that mean, guys? Prediction. For example, if you go for hospitals, based on based on your report, in future, he may be diabetic patient or may not be diabetic patient. Prediction. That is the prediction. Got it. For example, if your sugar levels near, okay, or if it is what is that, by taking other parameters, so the AI will decide. Maybe you will get the future in a diabetic patient or not diabetic patient. That is the prediction. Okay. In other words, I can say, assume that Tata cars. Okay. Tata cars, if you take the historical data, like since 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, based on that historical data, what is the market revolution going to be happen for Tata cars to purchase it? Assume that 2024, assume that they have sell it around 1 lakh units cars. Okay, maybe 2025 it will take weather conditions, it will take economical conditions, economical situation and laws provided by government. By taking all these analysis, it will give the prediction like maybe 2 lakhs units they can sell it this year, these Tata cars in the market. That all will be analysis and provided by, what is that? Our AI, guys. Clear so far? Shekhar, Ben,
Yeah.
Manu.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? Artificial intelligence, I am telling. Okay. Now, what is the Azure AI? What is the Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a suite of artificial intelligence services and tools offered by Microsoft. I said right, Azure AI most of the services comes under PaaS, guys, platform as a services. When you provision any AI service in Azure, backend it is creating AKS cluster. Okay, AKS cluster and container services, guys. So anyhow, it will happen from backend. You need not have to worry about it. For example, if you want to create one manual machine learning services, then it will ask you AKS details, whatever and all. Okay, as you said, Microsoft providing already built-in services, right? If you try to provision them, they are comes under PaaS services. Backend, it is also creating AKS cluster. On top of it, your AI services will go and sits on top of these services, guys. Okay, I will let you know what is the AKS and all. That is the part of background which will happen. Okay, so what is the Azure AI? AI is a suite of artificial intelligence services and tools offered by Microsoft. Okay, that enables developers, developers and business people to build, deploy, and manage AI power related application. Is called AI, guys. Okay, this point is very important. See, it provides pre-built AI models and machine learning capabilities and cognitive services to help organizations to integrate AI into their solutions. For example, already you had one applications. Assume that there is a healthcare application. Then what it does, if you integrate Microsoft provided pre-built services, it will increase the productivity. Generally, what they have to do, going to patient, for example, in hospital, go to hospital and type the is patient ID, then you will get the details somewhere, right? So instead of that, it will maintain historical data. Based on that, it will generate the report. Okay, what is the prescription doctor may provide, that all it is provided by Azure AI, guys. Okay, Microsoft already developed what pre-built AI services. Directly we can integrate with your existing application to increase the productivity. Okay, if you are not happy with that, you can go ahead and develop your own AI solutions and integrate with your custom application. Both the ways they are providing. Okay, so again, I am repeating, what is the Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a suite of artificial intelligence services where developers and business can build, deploy, manage, and AI-powered application is called Azure AI. It's also provide pre-built AI models and machine learning capabilities and cognitive services to help organizations to integrate AI into their solutions, guys. Okay, this is Azure AI. Okay, so in Azure AI, they are providing list of models, list of workloads. Okay, this is the interview question and the certified question part of AI 900. Okay, what are the list of services, AI workloads provided by Microsoft? Okay, these are the services, guys. I can say Azure OpenAI. Do you know ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI? Am I right? I hope you know, right? How
Yeah.
many of you know?
Yeah.
Yes. Azure, Microsoft, okay, plus OpenAI, both are big partnership in between they had. Okay, Microsoft invested around 70% of share in OpenAI. Both together they came up with what? Products. So whatever the products they have launched, Microsoft directly they can integrate with Microsoft products, guys. Like I said, Windows Server, SQL Server, okay, Microsoft Edge Server, Microsoft Edge Browser, M365 component, everything. Both together, whatever the product they have developed, Microsoft directly they can integrate with their product. Clear? Okay. So, so main concern is what? Can anyone tell me? What is the advantage of the Microsoft? What is the disadvantage of the OpenAI? You know, right? Copilot, it went to the market like a rocket, like a super fast train. What is the advantage? Why Microsoft Copilot has more advantage than AI, whatever they come up with? Any idea?
No, why? I don't know.
One thing is security, guys, right? Nowadays, main concern in the entire market is security. Do you agree or not?
Yeah,
Okay,
true.
whatever the product they are launched, 100% it is they are providing complaints. 100% complaints. So it is satisfying your organization policies, governance policies. Got it? So if you stick the rule, okay, Copilot should search the data within the organization. That's it. It should not come outside of the organization. Then this is the one policy. When you implement the data which is available within the organization, it will search and give you the output. Got it? For example, I have joined one PwC account. Assume that one project PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. Now I would like to develop one solution. Okay, when I search, already products are completed in the market, in the client, right? Yes or no? When I search it, my request will go to within existing code and filter the data and give you the exact code that you can copy and paste it, and that can work as your functionality as you have expected. Nice, right? So what does that mean? Your request is within the organization and pulling the data, and it is the security. Your data will not go outside of your organization at any cost. 100% compliance. Clear? That is the product. Okay. So yeah, this is about what? The open Microsoft and OpenAI both together, they have launched the product. Whatever the product they are developing, Microsoft, they can integrate it directly. Why? Because they are strong partnership in between these two organizations. Okay, yeah, next. So this is about AI. See, Azure OpenAI directly they have provided the service. So access GPT model. Okay, like chat GPT. DALL-E is image generation. This is the new feature. DALL-E 3.0 is the latest, and DALL-E is okay. 3.0 is the latest. It has more advantages. You can generate the pictures directly based on your inputs, and codex code generation. Okay, so when you go for Azure AI services, Azure OpenAI services,
Sorry,
yeah,
the codex, what sort of code it generate?
any code based on if you type
You mean
any,
the programming
yes, programming
programming
languages.
code?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, next machine learning, Azure machine learning. See, I said, right, Microsoft providing various types of predefined models, AI models, or machine learning models, I can say. Okay, Microsoft providing lot of predefined models, around 30 models they have provided, guys, which will be helpful for enterprise applications, enterprise top Fortune 500 companies. They can directly implement those models. Clear? Relevant to healthcare, stock market, okay, and prediction, sales, retail, okay, all industries, they have predefined models, AI machine learning models. Directly you can deploy them. If you don't like, you can customize and write your own ML. You can write your own ML model and host on top of existing your applications. Okay, that's what. See, Azure AI machine learning, AI cloud-based platform for building, training, and deploying machine learning models with automated tools, guys. This is the beautiful feature which Microsoft has provided. Okay, yeah, next. Next, these are the another workloads.
Sorry,
Yeah.
what is the automated tools?
Automated tools means, for example, when you deploy AI models on existing your data, then automatically it will detect. Okay, for example, yours is healthcare data is there. Healthcare data relevant AI model it should be suit, right? Automatically it will choose.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I think
So
so.
my data is retail. If
Yeah.
I try to deploy Microsoft AI models, based on my data, it will decide the model and host it on data, and based on that it will pull the information. For example, yours is healthcare domain. So if I try to what is that, deploy healthcare sorry, a retail related model, it doesn't work, right?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Oh, I see. So for hospital, you have
Yes,
to install the hospital model.
yes, automatically it will choose best model to retrieve the data, to predict the model, to retrieve the data. That all based on data itself, it will choose best model and host it on top of your data.
Okay, I see.
Okay, that is
Okay.
what automatic is. Here it is given. That is very
Okay,
good.
thank you.
Word it is there provided. Okay, yeah. Next, here Azure Cognitive Services. This is old name, guys. Now we are calling it as Azure AI Services, guys. Note it down. This is the one big change happened. Earlier we used to call it as Azure Cognitive Services. Now we are calling it as Azure AI Services, guys. Clear? Okay, yeah, next. So Azure Cognitive Service also we are calling it as nowadays what? Azure AI Services. Please note it down, AI Services. Okay, it is a pre-built AI vision, pre-built AI services, API, vision, speech, language, and decision making, including computer vision, image recognition, OCR, guys. Okay, here speech languages are what? Text to speech, speech to text translation. You know, right? I think 7 years back, when Narendra Modi visited Tamil Nadu elections, there would be a translator manually. When you speak in Hindi, there would be a manual translator, the guy they have appointed, and they will convert it into Tamilian languages and explain it. Am I right? Nowadays that is happening. Okay, when you go for implementation of AI, directly, instantly, when you speak, automatically it will convert it into local language, and it should be listening by customers or people. Got it, guys? That's what, if you observe nowadays, any serials are coming, right? ETV in India. Okay. So when they talk, bottom it will display Telugu language. Sometimes it will display English languages. Am I right? What does that mean? They are converting the language into one language into another. Clear, everyone? Manu, Shekhar, Ben,
Yeah.
Vivek, guys. Yeah, so that is what another language which Microsoft providing. Text analysis, okay, sentiment analysis and entity recognition, and Azure AI search. This is the beautiful feature. Okay, Azure AI services, and assume that you are in retail. Okay, so for example, you have developed for retail. For example, if you landing any city, okay, now you are looking for nearest hotels, good rating nearest hotels. When you go and deploy AI search on existing your data, then when you search it, then it will display relevant data as you are expecting. Okay, so here data sources may be anything like Azure SQL Server, that is your application related data, our Oracle data source, our data analytics, our data is coming from storage account, whatever the data sources it would be, by default the data will come and sits on top of storage account. From there we can implement the models. Okay, clear. So next, Microsoft, they are also providing bot services. Okay, a platform for building and for AI chatbots. Okay, you know, right? Bot services very popular. That's what people are thinking about. All call center jobs will be vanished very soon. If you go for HDFC, they have implemented. This is our Azure chatbot only. They have integrated. See, have you observed, guys? This is the one. This is the chatbot. Okay, ask Eva. Click on it. For example, I am looking for credit card service. Click on it. See, I need credit card summary. What does that mean? Yes, proceed. What is that? It is asking my mobile number. Okay, now when I type it, enter my mobile number, see, it is decoded and giving. See, please enter the OTP, whatever I have received. Clear, guys? See, this is what chatbot, based on, it is searching inside of the HDFC database and giving the results. Okay, 2381 is the output. When I click on it, see, it will give the information. 4 digit of the code. After validating it, whatever you are looking for, it will give the information. This is what chatbot. That is what currently which I am discussing it, guys. Chatbot service. A platform for building AI power chatbot. Okay, so Copilot is the chatbot tool, guys. Copilot is the chatbot. Copilot.microsoft.com. This is the AI chatbot from Microsoft. Clear? So actually now you people tell me, do you require to call customer care and get all this information? No. If you have application in front of you, I can type required information, I can get the information. Lot of time it is saved. To connect the customer care itself, worst case, it will take 10 minutes. Here within a minute, all the details you are able to receive. Clear, guys? Okay, so that is about what? Chatbot. Next, AI Studio. Microsoft providing what is that? AI Studio, like how we have Visual Studio, right? To develop the .NET, Java, PHP, Python related applications. Same way, Microsoft introduced AI Studio where you can develop custom code. Okay, see, this is the developer tool, a unified environment for developing generative AI application using custom AI model, guys. Okay, so this is the AI infrastructure. You know, right? Microsoft, especially they are design AI data centers. Okay, AI. If you deploy one AI, any application that will go and sits in Azure AI data centers, Microsoft Azure AI data centers, which is providing high performance. Okay, so GPU based, guys. GPU means graphical user interface, graphical process units. AI accelerator, large scale AI training interfaces. So why most of the companies now they are struggling, what they are doing now, they are closing the legacy applications and they are layoffing the employees. Whatever the budget they are saving, no, that they are investing on AI. That is the trend it is happening. That's why more labs, whatever the latest legacy people are whatever the applications, legacy applications are there in the market, whatever people are working on top of it, their jobs is in trouble. Okay, that is quite common, right? There is an application which is not generating more revenue. Okay, let us move into new technology. What they are decommissioning the application and they are moving to, they are spending that amount into whatever the saved amount they are putting on AI. That's why now bit struggling in the market. Okay, yeah. So this is about what is the list of workloads provided by Microsoft. Okay, go through that. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. In tomorrow, we'll finish it up and I am going to show you what are the topics which I am going to cover for AI 900, AI 102. Then according to that, we will move forward. Okay. Yeah.
So what is the timing for the batch?
Now, this is the same time. Time won't get changed. This is the only one time, 8 to 9. Even I
Okay.
to rush for office, right? 9 o'clock also.
So this course is mainly like Azure oriented or for
Azure.
example, Azure.
Total Azure AI and
So for
OpenAI.
you said, we develop the custom one using
Yes.
Azure AI Studio.
Yes.
Uh, so what language we use? Like
Python language. Custom model that comes under generative AI, guys. That is totally different.
okay. So it's not part of the
Yes, yes. Actual
okay.
generative AI itself, it is the big topic, as you know that, right? It will take like 2 months time. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to develop the custom AI model, we will go for generative AI using Azure AI Studio.
So and there are lots of concept, right? For example, if you take machine learning,
Yeah.
and there are lots of concept, behind it. So you'd be explaining the concepts and how to use the tool.
Yes, correct. I will be explaining the theoretical as well as demos, how we can use those tools.
Okay. And then is there any projects like to work on like
Yeah, small projects I will show you. How we can utilize it for our applications and all, integration and all, I will show you. For example, AI search is there. That is the service. Already I have some data in my application, right? How we can implement AI search on existing application data. That is kind of project, right? So that all I will explain it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, suppose example, like if there is an application that gets truck drivers information, if it is a supply chain, so we will ask the AI to deploy that model, or like we will give the code and Azure AI
No,
will.
no.
No.
Yes, if Microsoft already providing pre-built services, right? We will ask them to deploy, then it will get deployed.
Okay, and it will integrate the best AI model also.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Based,
we don't.
based on
Okay.
your data, automatically it will choose best AI model. Yeah.
Okay, we are just deploying the applications. Rest all Microsoft AI will take care.
Take care about. Yes, correct.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Someone asked, what is the career prospect?
Yeah,
How?
100%. Now going forward, data science and Azure AI OpenAI is the market, guys. Okay. So I will not say like most of the projects, all 100 projects are now moving to implement AI. So now slowly market is moving to AI, guys. Rapidly it is changing. You know, right? Microsoft, Google, AWS, and this OpenAI, their intention is whatever transformation it should happen next 20 years, right? They should accomplish within 3 years. That is their intention, guys. That's why a lot of struggling happen in the market. So whatever the development should happen next 20 years, they are planning to implement within 3 years, guys. Okay, that's why rapidly changes are coming to the market. You know, right? Day before yesterday, Microsoft launched Microsoft Mazurona cloud computing. Have you observed?
What is Mazurana?
Quantum computing something.
Quantum computing.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever they announced the statement, the share price got like 10% hike. Like rapidly changing, call quantum computing base whatever the chips they have designed, self-healing kind of application you can host it like AI related. And self-healing in the sense, what does it mean? Any idea? Self-healing
When
in the sense,
when problem comes, it
when
heals by
problem
itself.
comes, automatically it gets resolved. Am I right? Whenever our child age, no, when you get the any fever, are you visiting any hospital? No, right? If you take the rest 2 days, 3 days, that's it. Having good food, that's it. You are able to recover. Self-healing, that is. Am I right? Same way, if there is problem occurred in the virtual machine or application, automatically it gets resolved. If it is not resolving, the application will be copied into another host and automatically save the cost. You need not have to put more effort to troubleshoot that issue. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Same.
Okay.
Again, vague example is assume that you have purchased one TV. Okay. So if you get repaired, what you will do? Next thought, immediately you are purchasing to new TV, not you are not willing to repair that existing TV. Am I right, guys? Same. That is the self-healing. Yeah.
Sir, and deployments, it will be traditional pipeline way only, right, sir? Or
Deployment,
normally?
traditional deployment only. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And AWS has something like SageMaker, those kind of things. Is Azure AI similar to that one, or like?
Pacemaker, that is the cluster, right? As of now, AWS, they did not come up with their own product, guys, AI tools. Still, they are in development phase.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And this is the first batch, or this is the like regular second batch or something, sir?
No, it is the regular. It will happen. Yeah.
No. Like this course, this is the first time you're teaching, or?
No, already I have completed 10 batches, guys. I am working on
Okay.
AI only, Azure AI only, present.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the class is every day. The
Yeah,
session
class
is
is every day. Yes.
like even including weekends,
No, Monday to Friday, based
Monday
on
to
your
Friday.
availability, my availability, I will take it. We'll have it on Saturday as well. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. At this moment, consider Monday to Friday.
Sir, this is Yashwant. Can I talk with you personally, sir, after the class? Just 2 to 3 minutes, like.
Yeah, sure. We'll talk. No
Yeah.
worries.
Should I contact DurgaSoft for that, for
Yes,
your
you can
contact?
contact
Okay.
him. Then through
Okay.
that we communicate. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great
Okay,
day.
thank you, Shekhar.
Yeah. Bye.